vamos a estar ayudándolos un poco más. Que sale el balón fuera, pero hay que estar preparados. Hay que estar preparados, porque a veces nos pillan durmiendo, coño.
Antes recibes aquí y vas a hacer una bandeja. ¿Cuándo has hecho tú una bandeja? Te han hecho falta, pero has ido a hacer una bandeja. Pero vete duro al aro. Vete duro al aro, cómete el puto aro. Not only to win, is to respect our job. To respect ourselves. They're gonna keep playing in this level. At this level.
¡Duros! ¡Duros en ataque! We are missing, we are not catching, this is the key.
If we decrease, we are dead. We're gonna lose by 40. And we don't deserve it.
It's like that! No like that! Like that! Like that! Inside.
Move the ball. If we don't move the ball, they are playing comfortable. If we don't move the ball, move the fucking ball.
You can miss, but no turnovers again. And come back. ¿Quién defiende a Hackenson? Ha sido el rebote de ataque. Jordi Pep, ¿qué?
Switching defense. Okay. You talk. If the pick and roll is far, you can call wide, and in the repeat switch, if we want to do it immediately, talk. They are being super aggressive, guys. We need to play with good contacts in the screen, change the speed, stop walking. You want to win this game walking, and this is not gonna happen, guys. I warn you.
Keep playing tough, guys. Keep playing tough. Now they're gonna shoot with high confidence. They are winning by 20. Let's go, guys. Let's go.